Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're signed in good. First, gather your account email, the last 4 digits of the card on file, and the subscription start date so you can confirm identity quickly. Open the Willow app or visit the Willow account page and sign in. If 2-factor prompts appear, complete them now so you don't get locked out. Once done, go straight to account or subscriptions because that's where cancellation controls live and where billing records are kept. Now you'll manage the plan. Select the active subscription and review the renewal date and next charge amount so you know the cutoff. Choose cancel, turn off auto-renew, or pause depending on what Willow offers. Cancel stops future billing, pause retains access for a set period. Follow every on-screen prompt, enter a cancellation reason if requested, and make sure you hit confirm or submit. Otherwise, the change may not apply and the subscription will keep renewing. Finish by saving proof. Copy the confirmation number, screenshot the final page, and check your email for cancellation notice. Make sure the status shows canceled or auto-renew off, otherwise, repeat the steps. If a charge posts after cancellation, contact Willow support first with your screenshots and confirmation. If unresolved, dispute the charge with your card issuer. If pages won't load, clear cache or try another browser, and then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.